Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss few more questions from exercise 1.1. We have done in earlier videos up to question number 5. So we'll start question number 6. Show that the relation R in the set A equal to 1, 2, 3 is given by, show that the relation R in the set 1, 2, 3 given by R equal to 1, 2, comma 2, 1 is symmetric but neither reflexive nor transitive. It's easy question. These type of questions are very easy and may be asked in 1 mark or 2 marks. R is equal to 1, 2, comma 2, 1. So first we'll discuss reflexive. We'll show it is not reflexive. The set has 1, 2, 3. So 1, 1 does not belong to R. Implies R is not reflexive. रिफ्लेक्सिव के लिए 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3 तीनों ही आर में होने चाहिए, यहाँ कोई भी नहीं है. तो 1, 1 डज नॉट बिलोंग टू आर. दिस इम्प्लाइज आर इज नॉट रिफ्लेक्सिव. Transitive. We'll first do symmetry. You can see 1, 2 belongs to R implies 2, 1 belongs to R. And 2, 1 belongs to R implies 1, 2 belong to R. So AB belongs to R is implying here BA belongs to R. So this implies R is symmetric. R is symmetric. Now let us discuss transitive. One, 2 belongs to R. 1, 2 से related है and 2 is related to 1. 2, 1 belongs to R. 1, 2 से related है. 2, 1 से related है. But you can see that 1 is not related with 1. But 1, comma 1 does not belong to R means 1 is not related to 1. Therefore, R is not transitive. Question number 7. Show that relation R in the set A of all books in a library of a college given by R is equal to X, Y such that X and Y have same number of pages is an equivalence relation. So, let us write the relation R. R is X comma Y such that X and Y have same number of pages. So to show it is equivalence, we'll show it is reflexive, symmetric and transitive. So let us prove it is reflexive. For any X belongs to a X library की कोई book है, so we can say X and X have same number of pages. लाइब्रेरी में कोई आपने एक बुक ली X, तो X and X will have same number of pages. So this implies X comma X belongs to R. For all X belongs to A. तो जब x comma x is in R for all x in A, we can say R is reflexive. Symmetry. For symmetry, we let x, y belongs to R. This implies x and y have same number of pages. बुक एक्स और वाई में सेम पेजेस हैं तो वाई और एक्स में भी सेम पेजेस होंगे. सो दिस इम्प्लाइज वाई एंड एक्स सेम नंबर ऑफ पेजेस. वाई एंड एक्स आल्सो हैव सेम नंबर ऑफ पेजेस. सो दिस इम्प्लाइज y comma x belongs to R. So xy belongs to R is implying yx belongs to R. So we can say R is symmetric. Now we'll prove it is transitive. Let x comma y belongs to R and y comma x, y comma z belongs to R. So x and y have same number of pages and y and z have same number of pages. अब मान लीजिए x और y में 50 पेज हैं और वाई जेड में सेम पेज है, वाई में 50 हैं तो जेड में भी 50 होंगे. तो एक्स और जेड में सेम पेजेस आ जाएंगे. सो दिस इम्प्लाइज एक्स एंड जेड हैव सेम नंबर ऑफ पेजेस. दिस इम्प्लाइज x comma z belongs to R. xy belongs to R, yz belongs to R is implying xz belongs to R. So we can say R is transitive. अब R में तीनों प्रॉपर्टी हैं, so we can write it is equivalence. As R is reflexive, symmetric and transitive, therefore R is an equivalence relation. Question number 7. Show that the relation R in the set A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 given by R is equal to A comma B such that mod A minus B is even is an equivalence relation. Show that all elements of 1, 3, 5 are related to each other and all elements of set 2, 4 are related to each other, but no element of 1, 3, 5 is related to any element of 2, 4. So set A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and R is the relation defined in set A as x, y, or you can say A comma B such that mod A minus B is even. So first of all we'll prove it is equivalence relation. So for that we'll prove reflexive. For any A belongs to set A, mod A minus A is equal to 0 and 0 is even number. So I can say since mod A minus A is even, A comma A belongs to R. This implies R is reflexive. Now we'll prove it is symmetric. Let AB belongs to R for some A and B in A. This implies mod A minus B is even. So this implies mod of minus a minus b is even. Because mod of minus x is same as x. So if mod a minus b is even, I can say minus of a minus b modulus is even. That is b minus a mod is even. So we can conclude that BA belongs to R. So we can say R is symmetric. Now we have to show same thing for 2, 4. Let sum AB belongs to 2, 4. So this implies A and B are even. तो जब दोनों नंबर ऑड हो या दोनों इवन हो तो डिफरेंस इवन होता है. So this implies A minus B is even and hence its modulus is even. So we can say AB belongs to R. Therefore, all elements of 2, 4 are related to each other. Now last case, let us take one element from the set 1, 3, 5, say A, and another element B from 2, 4. This implies A is odd, क्योंकि A odd वाले set में से A is odd and B is even. So their difference is odd, and we know difference is odd, so mod of that difference is also odd. So AB does not belong to R, means A is not related to B. That means no element of this set is related to any element of this set. So no element of 1, 3, 5 is related to any element of 2, 4.